Alcatel One X 2019 has a 5.5-inch 18:9 screen, offering about 8% more screen real estate. The real upgrade is that this is now a 720 by 1,440px panel, increasing the pixel density to 292p, a noticeable jump from the 480 by 960px display on the original. The screen is covered with 2.5D glass, drag-on-trail specifically. Anyway, TCL claims an 83% screen-to-body ratio for those of you keeping score. The other improvement in the 2019 edition of the Alcatel One X is on the back. It features a 13+2MP dual camera. The secondary sensor enables real-time bokeh effects. The main camera can record 1080p video. The 5MP selfie camera now supports face unlock, which was missing from the original One X. Unfortunately, this means that the fingerprint reader has been dropped. The LED selfie flash is gone too. The new One X uses the same chipset as the old One X, a MediaTek MT6739. It's an old 28nm chip with only 4 Cortex-A53 cores. It's running Android 8.1 Oreo. The back of the phone features a soft touch finish that's quite gray and hides fingerprints quite well. The battery capacity of the phone grew to 3,000 mAh, however, charging is done via an old-school microSD port. On the plus side, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack on top.